How to upload HD photo and video on Facebook. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So once you're in the home page of Facebook, you'll be able to see this interface from where you can explore the various newsfeed or the videos. So in order to upload high quality photo and video, you need to go to your media settings. For that, you need to tap on the 3-bar horizontal line at the right upper corner. And from over here, you have to scroll a little bit and you have to go for the settings and privacy. And you have to go for the settings. And once you're on the settings, you have to scroll a little bit and you have to go to your media option. And once you do that, you'll be able to see this option over here. So in Facebook, the only way to upload a good quality video is by managing your video quality or turning on this data saver. So if you turn off this data saver, then high quality video will be uploaded on your Facebook. So you can turn off this, but there is still another way to upload high quality photo and video. But for that, you need to open up your Facebook account or you have to log into your account on Facebook Lite application. So you have to go back and you have to open up your Facebook Lite application and you need to log into your account over here. And once you are here, you have to tap on the 3-bar horizontal line at the right upper corner. And from over here, you have to scroll a little bit and you have to tap on the drop down of the settings and privacy. And you have to go to settings. So once you are under settings, you will be able to see the various options. So under preferences, there is media. Simply tap over media. And you can see there is a photo quality, under which there is an option for high, medium and low. So you just have to select the high option, and by doing that, while uploading the video, it will upload to the highest quality. So this is how you upload HD photo and video on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.